Hi, my name is Joe Coco from Serenity One Source, and today we're going to show you how a three-way switch works. One of the biggest problems at home when you change a three-way switch is that you get a couple wires mixed up. So we drew out a diagram here of how a three-way switch would work. We have our power supply, which is a receptacle. We have a switch here, which illustrates a three-way switch, and we have a three-way switch here, and we also have a light. Now, there's a few things you need to know before we start turning on the switches. Every box is grounded. Grounded is our safety wire, and it also makes circuit breakers trip. The white wire is our neutral, and we brought that directly to the light. Our red wire goes directly to the first switch. Now this is where it's important. When you have two three-way switches, there's a discolored or a black screw, and then there's two gold. The black screw on this side always gets the hot wire. And on this side, the black screw always gets the load or the light wire. So the wire going directly to the light is on the black. The two gold screws, you can put that blue wire here and that red wire there. It doesn't matter, as long as you have both of them on a gold screw. And the same here. Doesn't matter which way they are, but as long as they're both on a gold screw. Now, in order for, the light is off because the blade of the switch is touching red, and the blade of the switch here is touching blue. So I'll turn it on from here, and as soon as I do, the electricity on the blue wire will head over to the other switch, which Richie is illustrating. It'll walk through the blade of the switch onto the load wire, and it'll go up to the light. As soon as it hits the light comes on. And that is how it works. Now, in order to shut it off, I'll shut it off here. Even though I turned it on there, I'll get the blade of the switch and put it on the red wire. The light goes off, and Richie goes back to his spot. Now, in order to turn this light on again, I would either have to put this back onto the blue or put this blade onto the red. And that's how I'll do it. I'm going to put this on the red. The electricity starts to flow on the red wire. And you can see Jay will walk down the traveler. It's going to walk through the switch and through the blade, through the load wire, to the light. As soon as he hits the light screw, the light comes on. Now, I can shut it off here by making this blade touch the blue, or this blade here touch the blue. The light is off. Jay goes back to his position, and I'll turn it on from here. We turned it on and off here, and we turned it off here. We'll turn it on here. This will touch the blue. Electrons or electricity will flow on the blue wire. And you can see it going. He's going to walk through the blade of the switch into the load wire. He'll stop at the screw of the light. The light will come on. And that's how a three-way switch works. It's very easy that children can do it. You always have to remember the black screw on both sides need to have the hot and the load. The travelers can go on any of the gold screws as long as there's one on each switch and one on the other switch. And that's how a three-way switch works. Special thanks to Chris, Richie, and JJ for helping us today.